Blast off. Make a baking soda and vinegar rocket. Are you ready to launch into a space adventure right in your backyard? Let's make a mini rocket using simple ingredients you can find at home. Here's what you'll need: a film canister with a tight-fitting lid, baking soda, vinegar. Here's how to make your rocket. First, find a safe outdoor space to launch your rocket. Make sure there's plenty of room to run around and watch your rocket soar. Second, open the lid of the film canister and put a small amount of baking soda inside. You don't need too much, just a pinch will do. Third, now pour some vinegar into the film canister. Be careful not to spill any. Fourth, quickly snap the lid onto the film canister and place it upside down on the ground, lid side down. Fifth, stand back and get ready for liftoff. As the vinegar reacts with the baking soda, it creates gas that builds up pressure inside the canister. Soon, your rocket will shoot up into the sky like a real spaceship. It's a simple but exciting way to explore science and learn about chemical reactions. So, gather your materials and get ready to blast off into the cosmos with your homemade rocket.
yourhometutor.org. Learning begins at